Hello, Scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back today with a very fun and exciting hop that I am participating in. So, I am a guest designer for Peacecraft Love this month of August, and she sent me a little starter kit that is something that she sells on her website. So, I will have a link below to what she sent me. And I'm also pulling from my stash from some birthday themed kits and also some, I think, princess themed. Like you can see the little crown and a few things as well. And I believe I got those. Those are old, I think. I'm not really sure where I got those from. Colored Cast Designs, maybe. I'm not really sure, but they're pretty old. I think they're from like 2016. But they were just in my stash. I did not get those from Anna's shop. Anyway, so make sure you check out all the links below. I will have links to the other ladies on the design team and to Anna's channel as well. I'm super excited to be working with Anna's shop this month. Make sure that if you did not watch my my haul video from her store, that you go and watch that. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So here you can see I am kind of just going through all of the embellishments and things that I pulled out from my stash. There was a lot of it, but I was really excited to scrapbook these photos. So I don't know if I've said anything about this, but my son Brennan is transgender. And she now wants to go by she and her pronouns, and also she wants to be known as Rachel. So if you hear me talking about Rachel or saying she and I have a daughter, don't be surprised. That's just a new part of my life. And I've always wanted a daughter, so I'm a little bit excited, but also I have mixed emotions. So anyway, let's move on. So for Rachel's birthday, she wanted to go shopping and get some new clothes. And so we went to Kohl's and we went shopping in the girls section. And it was super fun to go and just see what sizes she was. And she tried on a bunch of different things. And she bought I think we bought quite a few t-shirts for her to wear and some skirts and stuff like that. And it's really been fun kind of seeing her blossom and really enjoy who she is. So this collection was perfect for these photos of us out shopping on her birthday. And it was a fun day. We just kind of chilled all day. I think this really was the only thing we did, and then we went out for dinner, and it was just a good day. It was fun. Okay, so I matted the photos on the pink piece of paper from the kit and then the purple piece of paper from the kit, and this is Echo Park's Happy Birthday collection. And so now I am just going to start gluing things down and putting them in places that I want them to go. So I had these old Maggie Holmes. Are they Maggie Holmes? Oh my goodness. I don't even remember. They might be Dear Lizzie. I think they're Dear Lizzie. These old Dear Lizzie bows, and they are like these faux leather bows, and they are so cute. I've had them in my stash for probably 10 years. I don't even remember when they came out, but it was a long time ago, and I bought them and never used them. So it probably wasn't 10 years ago. It might have been like 6 or 7 years ago, but it's been a while since I've had them. And so I'm finally using them. I was super excited to use up 4 of them. I think there were 5 total, or maybe there were 4 total, and I used 3 of them. So here I'm thinking I really like the borders. And so to kind of break up the busyness of the background paper, I decided to make a couple of the border strips and put them at the top, not make them, but cut them out and put them at the top of the layout. And that kind of breaks up the pattern just a little bit. And it also adds a place where I can do some embellishing. So I'm going to do 3 little banners up here, 2 purple and then 1 pink. And then I'm also going to, I think I'm going to put a sticker up there or something, some embellishing up there I'm going to do. So I'm going to glue all of those two strips down, and then I'm going to glue the banners down. And at first I was thinking I was going to put it underneath that blue striped paper, but in the end I decided not to, so I just put the bow down in the cluster, and then I'm going to put some of the sequins that came in the little scrapbooking starter kit that she sent me, and I'm going to put those in 3 different areas around the layout, so the 3 different clusters, and then also up at the top where it says happy, I put 2 different hearts on both sides of the word happy. Okay, so this piece here, like I said, it's a wood veneer piece and it's pretty old. I've never used anything from this, and I actually break it as I'm pushing it down. So I kind of broke it, and then it's actually not going to stick using that liquid glue. So I'm going to have to pull out some what are they? Zots, small little zots, and I'm going to have to glue it down with the zots. And it's kind of a process. Sometimes I sit down and I scrapbook and I'm like, what the heck am I doing? Like, I don't know. But I had a lot of fun, and I am going to do some journaling on that tag piece. And I did think about bringing in this number 16, but I think in the end I decided not to put that there. And there you can see that's where it broke. And I think here I'm going to break it again, and it just was not a good time with this stinking wood veneer word wish. So anyway, thank you so much for watching today. Make sure to check out all the links below. If you want to purchase from Peacecraft Love, make sure you use my link, because I do have an affiliate link, so that I can help support her shop. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you again soon. Bye!